15. Ways AI will transform the travel industry. Artificial intelligence, AI, is set to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, and one area where its impact will be particularly significant is travel. From how we plan our trips to how we navigate and experience new destinations, AI is poised to transform how we travel, making it more personalized, efficient, and seamless. There's no doubt that AI will have a profound impact on the travel industry. In this article, we'll explore 15 ways AI is already shaping how we travel and how it could revolutionize our experiences in the future. From simplifying planning to enhancing on-the-go convenience, AI has the potential to make travel more enjoyable, efficient, and personalized. AI is here to stay, and travel is one industry where it will leave a lasting impression. 15. Ways AI will revolutionize the travel industry. AI is revolutionizing how we travel, making the process more personalized, efficient, and seamless. From planning your itinerary to navigating cultural nuances, AI technologies are expected to impact nearly every aspect of the travel experience. 1. Personalized travel planning. AI can analyze travelers' preferences, past bookings, and interests to create customized itineraries. Using machine learning, AI tools suggest destinations, accommodations, and activities that align with your style and budget. 2. AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots. AI chatbots provide 24/7 customer service, helping travelers book flights, hotels, and activities through natural language conversations. These virtual assistants can answer queries, provide local tips, and even adjust travel plans, ensuring that help is always a message away. 3. Optimized booking processes. AI algorithms process vast amounts of real-time data to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. These tools ensure travelers save time and money by offering the most competitive prices and highlighting bundled packages tailored to individual needs. 4. Real-time language translation. Thanks to AI-powered translation tools like Google Translate and portable translation devices, language barriers are becoming less of a concern. These tools allow travelers to communicate with locals, read signs, and negotiate in markets, fostering deeper cultural connections. 5. Enhanced fraud detection. AI plays a critical role in identifying fraudulent transactions during travel bookings. By analyzing patterns and detecting anomalies in real time, AI tools protect travelers from scams and ensure safe, secure transactions for flights, accommodations, and more. 6. Dynamic travel packages. AI can monitor live data, such as flight prices, weather updates, and local events, to create dynamic travel packages. These packages adapt to changing conditions, providing alternative suggestions and maximizing value for travelers. 7. Sustainable travel options. As more travelers seek eco-friendly choices, AI helps identify sustainable accommodations and transportation. AI tools analyze carbon footprints and recommend green travel options, such as hotels with energy-efficient practices or routes that minimize emissions. 8. Improved airport operations. AI transforms airport management by optimizing passenger flow, handling baggage, and predicting potential delays. Facial recognition systems enable faster check-ins, while AI-powered systems ensure that luggage arrives safely at its destination. 9. Facial recognition for security and efficiency. Facial recognition technology, powered by AI, is increasingly used at airports to enhance security and speed up boarding. Travelers can move through customs and check-in areas faster, reducing wait times and making the airport experience smoother. 10. Local insights and cultural learning. AI applications offer insights into local cultures and customs, helping travelers prepare for cultural taboos, etiquette, and traditions. Using AI to learn about their destination, travelers can approach new environments with respect and understanding. 11. Predictive travel analytics. AI can predict trends in travel demand and offer suggestions based on upcoming seasons, events, or price changes. This allows travelers to book trips at the optimal time, taking advantage of better deals and avoiding peak travel periods. 12. Tailored marketing for travel companies. AI enables travel companies to create hyper-personalized marketing campaigns. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, companies can send targeted recommendations and promotions that resonate with individual customers, enhancing engagement and loyalty. 13. Stress-free navigation. AI-powered apps help travelers navigate unfamiliar cities with ease. Features like real-time GPS, augmented reality, AR maps, and step-by-step guides ensure that travelers don't get lost and can explore their destinations confidently. 14. Health and safety alerts. AI systems provide real-time alerts for health and safety concerns, such as natural disasters, disease outbreaks, or political unrest in travel destinations. These updates help travelers make informed decisions and adjust their plans when necessary. 15. Virtual travel experiences. Through augmented and virtual reality, VR platforms, AI makes virtual travel more immersive. These tools allow travelers to preview destinations before booking, explore hotel rooms, or even experience attractions from the comfort of their homes. AI is reshaping the travel industry by enhancing personalization, improving efficiency, and opening new possibilities for exploration. From planning trips tailored to your interests to navigating new cultures quickly, AI's role in travel is only expected to grow. The travel experience will become more seamless and rewarding as technology advances, benefiting travelers and the industry. At A Bus on a Dusty Road, we talk about everything about travel, life, and expat living. We are all about living life as a global citizen. We explore social, cultural, and economic issues and travel. We would love to have you be part of our community. Sign up for our newsletter to keep up to date by clicking here. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Anita, or visit www.ABusOnADustyRoad.com.